Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I just received a few interior accessories, including some carbon fiber accents. So let's quickly take a look at what I'm going to be installing today. So the first piece on the list is a carbon fiber dash trim. It's a two-piece install, makes things a little easier. You will have obviously a line where the two pieces are joining. However, it's right behind the screen, so it's pretty much invisible. The next thing for the install today are the door trims, also in carbon fiber, to match the dash. Next is a three-piece carbon fiber also trim for the steering wheel. And the last carbon fiber piece for the day are the carbon fiber trims for the turn signal and a gear lever. Next, I'm quickly going to install puddle lights that go in the front doors. They will project a Tesla logo. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is wipe down the dash and the sides of the doors with alcohol. The install is pretty straightforward. It is a double-sided M3 tape, so just remove the tape. Alright, the passenger side half is done. Before you remove the whole strip of masking tape, remove a small portion of it. That's typically the easier way to do it. Line it up properly and then slowly start removing it and pushing on the dash. Make sure it sticks on properly. Alright, let's go do the driver's side. Alright, let's repeat the same thing for the driver's side. Next up, let's do the driver's side door. And let's finish this off on the passenger side. Next up, a turn signal lever and a shift lever. These are basically a clip-ons with a little bit of a sticky tape on the back. Pretty simple. Next up is a steering wheel trim. As always, remember, wipe down with alcohol first to clean the area. The trim pieces are also double-sided sticky tape, so just remove the protective film, wait for the alcohol to dry, and put these on. Alright, next up, puddle lights. It's the install of the actual puddle light is very simple. You just have to take your time. Once we pop it, so let's do it really quickly. Once we pop it, I mean, it is really that simple. However, this wire is super short. So take your time in getting this thing removed. And hold on to the actual wire itself, so it doesn't get inside the door, and then you gonna have a little bit of a problem getting it back. So, all right, so hold on to it, don't let it go. Get the new Puddle light. It is plug and play, as you can see. There are a couple different versions of it, but this specific one is a plug and play. All right, also, once you get this light installed, well, plugged in, I should say, don't push it in yet. So let's take a look at the bottom and look at the orientation of the T and the Tesla. All right, if you do it this way, it just doesn't look good, and as you close the door, it's going to start disappearing. So turn around that way, all right, and then push it back inside. Alright, so that will do it for today. I got all the carbon fiber bits and pieces that I wanted to install for now on the interior of the car. I am still waiting for a few more pieces for the interior, and I have a bunch of exterior bits and pieces that already came in, and some are on the way, so do stay tuned for more installs for the interior and exterior accessories. Hopefully this video was useful to some of you, gave you some ideas about any trim pieces that you may be thinking about for your Tesla. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.